So what do we mean by low self-confidence? Self-image, self-respect, accepting yourself, self-sufficiency, self-worth, self-confidence, self-perception are all words to describe how we see and value our lives. If our general idea about ourselves is negative, we most often describe ourselves as I'm bad, I'm stupid, I'm worthless. Clear signs of low self-confidence are when you often feel you are weak or insufficient. Many times you are unsure about yourself, your thoughts about yourself are ruthless, or you're having difficulty feeling you deserve good things in life. Low self-confidence could cause a lot of frustration in your life, and it can even lead to depression. The thoughts and beliefs about yourself and what kind of a person you are define your level of self-confidence. These thoughts and beliefs seem to be the ultimate reality for you. However, these are mostly thoughts. The conclusions and judgments you make about yourself, based on all your past experiences and the signals you get about yourself from your environment. If you've had many positive experiences, then most probably your beliefs about yourself would be equally positive. If your experiences are mixed, just like majority of people, then you would have a variety of thoughts and beliefs about yourself, which could change according to the circumstances you would be in. If your experiences are mostly negative, then very likely your thoughts about yourself would be equally negative. This sets the foundation of low self-confidence, which in turn influences your life badly. Now, please have a look at the first exercise in your workbook. You will find a chart that will help you assess the level of your self-confidence. Please spend some time on filling this chart. It is really simple and it will not take more than 10 minutes of your time. If your answer to any of the questions that's in the chart is different from every time, then it means you've got room for improvement and this course can help you. If you're relaxed about accepting yourself the way you are, you see yourself valuable despite your weaknesses, and you feel you have the right to enjoy all the richness that life offers, then it means you are a very self-confident person. On the contrary, if you feel that your real self is somehow weak or inadequate, you worry too much about never being sure about yourself, your thoughts about yourself are ruthless, and you have difficulties feeling you have the right for good things in life, that shows your level of self-confidence is low, and that's perfectly fine. We will cover a lot of techniques in the following courses to change that.